Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to comment in HTML in this video. I'm Aref, by the way. Support me by subscribing my channel. So HTML content comments doesn't show in browser. It just help you to document your code, and whenever you come back, you can understand what did you do here. It's simple. I show you the simple comments. Here is my comments. As you see, it starts with this character and it ends with this character. Anything in here can be comment. It can be nothing. It can be anything. It can be multi-line, whatever you want. As start with here, this, and end with this. So these are the HTML's comments tag that you can see. So some comments, some of the developer write use this pattern for comment. For example, I can write here start navbar brand. So for readability, code readability, for other developer, and navbar brand. So you see, I write a comment up than my element and write a comment end, and I show where it start, where it end, and what's this element. I use a comment for the readability and documentation of my code, and also I can write anything in my comment for anyone I like. So another use of comment is when you want to hide content, comment a content out. So how you do it? You can do it with two way. First is you can start this with this and this. As you see, these two are now these elements, because it's inside of to start and end of comment symbol, it's now hide and the browser doesn't show. Another way is you can comment it out in the element tag. I did not recommend this because it's kind of crowdy, but the first one is better. And also you can hide inline elements, and like I want to hide these updates here, I can come here and use my start and end comment tag, and now only Git will show and the update is comments. So if you have any questions, write it in the comment here. In this video comment, I will answer it. And if you anything you want and that want me to build a video, tell me now. And don't forget to subscribe and support me. Thank you for watching.